Have you ever wondered about changing from a base 1 to another? When changing from a base 8 to base 6 to the base 6 or any other base, we normally don't have any powerful way without considering base 10. So we need to take this number which is in base 8 and we put it in base 10. So we can get how is this one equal to? You're going to see. We take 7, 4, and 6. We put 8 power 0 here, starting from the first digit, then 8 power 1 and 8 power 2. Now, this is 7 times 8 power 2 is 64, plus 4 times 8, then plus 6 times 1. 8 power 0 is 1. So this one is 7 times this number, it is 42, 448. Yes, 448 plus 32, then plus 6. So this number is equal to what? This is 8 plus this, which is 16. Then it is 6. Then 16 plus here, then plus here, it is 8. Then 4. So this is in base 10. 4, 8, and 6. Now, we need to change this number now to base 6. Now, how? When we're changing this number or any other number to base 6, we take this number, we divide it by 6 progressively to remainders and we write the remainders. Now, we have 4, 8, 6, we divide it by 6. We're going to change in the base 6. We have 48, we put 8, we have 48 again, we remain with 0, we drop 6, we put 1, then we have 6, then we have the remainder which is 0. That is the remainder. We divide this number also, because it is still divided by 6, we have 8, we put 1, we get 6, we have 2, we drop 1, 21, we put 3, get 18, then we get 3, this 3 is the remainder, it is not divided by 6, we divide by 6 again, we put 2, we get 12, then we have 1. So then this 2 is not divided by 6. We stop here and we write those numbers starting from the quotient to the remainders. The quotient to the remainders, now it is 2, 1, 3, 0. We have 2, 1, 3, 0. So this is now this number from base 8 to this number from base 6. Thank you very much.